We are associated with the PAC class from the previous two occasions, where in the previous occasions we kind of worked as tried to demonstrate as a lead integrator, trying various solutions can be integrated together to a common language, and then total solution to customer can be given, which is localized and Indian solution, which is very cost effective and suits to the Indian industry. I think in continuation with that, the Hyderabad exhibition adds a little more specific solutions to the food and pharma industry, which is growing very fast in the country. The associated issues related to food and pharma from a point of view of compliance, whether it is the track and trace related issues. That's what we tried to demonstrate in this exhibition. One related to ZipPack, which can be retrofitted on old press machines. In my view, a few thousands of them are in the market where they would like to change, but going to this kind of a pack will cost huge amount of change in their systems. But what we try to demonstrate is a fixture which kind of retrofits into current paper press machines which are already operating, and still can, by retrofitting this, can go with the latest pack that is required by consumer today. Second portion which we try to demonstrate is the FDA required or the track and trace requirements which are required by the pharma and food industry through label scanning, barcode scanning or RFID scanning, etc. And also the traceability of the final product at the factory level and until it reaches the end customer. At every stage, how can you do it through a variety of systems like barcode, RFID, and the software related to these by optically reading the data on this final product. Also, a small integrated solution for weighing, scanning, printing, and ensuring that the right product is getting into the final truck before it reaches the customer. I think that's what we try to demonstrate here. While we tried the complete line of being a lead integrator in the last, here we tried specific solutions for the food and pharma industry. And so far the response has been good, and the industry it also gave an opportunity for us to kind of call the local industry who needs this kind of solutions and specific customers that we have been talking to and demonstrate them live these systems on the shop floor. That really kind of helped. Of course, the rest of the support, the rest of the installations or stalls in the exhibition seem to be pretty good in terms of supporting this kind of initiative.
Over the years, Godrej has built its reputation by building quality products and providing prompt and efficient after-sales service. Today, Godrej is touching over revenues of about $4.1 billion, and it touches 500 million lives, 500 million people every day. The stall that we have put up here is by Godrej and Material Handling Equipment Division, that is GMH, which is one of the divisions of Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited. We provide solutions for lifting, shifting and moving of materials. Our core line of business is of course the material handling equipment, which we have displayed here. Some of the technologies, like we can see there, articulated forklift. This is an equipment in which, as you can see, the mast can turn 90 degrees. This helps in operating in a very narrow aisle, and it can go up to a very good height of 9 meters, 10 meters. So the vertical utilization of the space, that can be achieved with this, and its footprint on the aisle is also very less. It can operate in a narrow aisle of 2 meters. So these are the technologies and products which the growing requirements of the market have been incorporated and have been brought to the Indian customers by Godrej. We are probably the first to launch in Indian market with a toll-free number, wherein the customers across India can reach us at a click of a mobile. And towards this providing customers with prompt and assured deliveries, we have also started with TOC. We have incorporated that in our manufacturing, wherein we can give the products, manufacture the products with assured lead times and assured delivery periods. Coming to this Pack Plus exhibition, Godrej has, this is the first time we have participated in this exhibition in Hyderabad. And I have no hesitation. In fact, I am glad to share that the response has been pretty good. We have been able to share our technologies, and the leads have been that have been generated have very much excited us. We are glad to learn that customers are interested in a lot of new technologies. They want to incorporate them into the systems. So we thank the organizers for bringing this platform to Hyderabad once again and giving us the opportunity to showcase our products. And we wish them all the best for it.
Komogen is one big company doing a lot of motion control, more than 80 years, and belongs to Videnia Corporation. Komogen itself is a really strong company in doing complete motion solution, especially customized and also for standard application in printing, packaging, a lot of kind of application where it's really required high accuracy, high performance, high speed, and also some special things. Komogen is a global company. You can see here in the map behind me where we are. We have global manufacturing, global design, we have a lot of application centers. We are now focused here since several years to expand our market, also here in India, and therefore we started with our Indian headquarters in Mumbai and expanding our sales regions here in the south and also in the north, and also working here with many distributors, bringing our products, our solution, our innovative solutions into the market. Here in Hyderabad, we are showing a lot of new things. One of our new concepts and new innovative solutions are our new decentralized drive concept called AKDN at Advanced Komogen Drive nearby. So this is a new concept to save a lot of cables and a lot of parts, and also to save the cabinet space, and it makes machines and the design concept much more efficient. Here it is how it works. We have just one power supply in the cabinet, so the space in the cabinet you can see here is reduced. It's just really a small box required to drive several drives in the field.
India being a high growth region, we have the aggressive growth plans for India. Though we are a late entrant, but we are very clear about India growth. From one location in 2013, we have grown our network, the Komogen presence, almost all the major cities in India. We have seen some good footfalls during the exhibition. Leads are there, but how many qualified leads that we have to still see.
We are representing at the UFlex Engine division here. In the UFlex group, as a group, we are the complete solution provider for the packaging solutions. And in the UFlex group, we are having the different division, and we are providing for, we are having the converting division, polyester division, and the chemical division, and the engine division also. So here we are representing the engine division. In the engine division, we are having we are manufacturing the packaging machine, and here we are presenting this form fill seal machine. And this form fill seal machine we have introduced especially for the chips and the extruded snacks. This machine we have introduced, and we hope that we'll get a good response from the South market, because in the South market people are having now they are going to introduce chips and all in the southern market. So we are having hope that we'll get the good response from here and we'll get the good clientele here. In the Pack Plus, we can say we are participating from last 6 years completely, and in Delhi also we are participating, in Hyderabad also we are participating, and we are getting good response always we have got, and still this is the second day, and we are hoping that we'll get the good response here. Now they are going to introduce in the Bangalore, so we will say that they have taken the good step, because Bangalore is in the you can say center of the south. So this is a good step, and we are also participating there, and we hope that we'll get the good business from here as always, what we have received earlier also.
Ramas company is basically engaged into boilers, chillers and wastewater treatment plants and outdoor environment. But now we have come up with a new technology for indoor environment, which is for the control of microorganism contamination in pharma industry as well as food processing industry. So the technology is called as photocatalytic oxidation. We have come up with this technology, and this is our first mega event because we have never tried such exhibitions previously. And we found that we could get good consumer base over here. I mean, the technology, it was a nice setup to tell the customers about our technology. And during last 3 days, we have got good inquiries, potential inquiries, which has helped us. And we look forward for participating in such expos because that's giving a nice exposure for our technology, which is for the benefit of pharma and food processing people. Yeah, during this exhibition, we found that there were around 25 to 30 inquiries. And out of that, 5 are about to fixed up. I mean, we are in the final stages. And other inquiries, obviously, we will try to make them also a potential buyer.
It's a pleasure being in the show. It's a good platform for us to display this vehicle. Many of them were very much surprised. The participants who were there here were very much surprised regarding an automobile display in such an event, a packaging event. So it is a good platform for us to display our vehicle and promote our vehicle. We have a good number of customers visiting this, and it's being a great promotion for us, being a part of this event. And it's a 4-day event, and we had good number of inquiries. We have good number of we got a good response put together overall. We are expecting good response even in the last day today. So it helped our business very much.
Superpack Packaging Machines Private Limited is more than 20-year-old company. We are into complete filling lines for filling products into bottles, tins, etc. Our factory is in Hyderabad and marketing and sales offices in New Delhi. We have been participating in Pack Plus ever since.
and various locations, and we have been displaying our machines. Currently, we have displayed one liquid filling machine, 6-set liquid filling machine. Pack Plus response is okay because they have been giving better and better services every time, and we are getting a good customer base through them. Next, we are in Delhi. We are participating in Delhi. We had participated last time also in Delhi, and we'll be participating this time also.
Hello, I'm representing Technova. I'm Ajay Nagar, and we are taking participation in this exhibition for the first time. For the first timer, this exhibition seems to be good, but in terms of the footfall, although the footfall is less, at the same point in time, we have got some good inquiries, which we are happy about, and we are showcasing two of our very good equipments, new equipments. And if you can see, we are showcasing the entire product range from Technova, and we are quite happy to be here, and we wish to be back with more enthusiasm next time.
Hi, my name is Jaideep Kulkarni. I work for Sargusa Solutions Private Limited. This is the first time we have participated in this show, and the main thing we are showcasing here is an ERP tool mainly for the printing and packaging industry. It's also a management information system. This was our first time that we are participating in this region, in this show. We did get a little bit of interest. We got about probably 8 to 10 prospects from this show. So overall, for the first time, I think it was good for us. In the future, we are looking to expand a lot in the south with this ERP tool for printing and packaging industry. So you'll see us more often at these shows. Thank you.
We are from Sealers India, Chennai. We are offering packaging solutions with the latest technology from US. This is my colleague, Kamini Bobde from Bombay, who looks after my Bombay office. Well, I like to tell about my products and my machine. These machines are from Taiwan. They are used for packaging of all food products, including jam, yogurts, juices, pickles, sauces, cut fruits, cut vegetables, and all those things. What USP in our company is, we give technology for self-stable food product packed in multi-layer containers, which remains fresh after a year also, for which we have a tie-up with a company called Printpack from USA. That is our USP, and that is the latest. As far as Pack Plus is concerned, yeah, we have good inquiries because we are in a very specialized field. Of course, there are not much of walk-ins, but we do have some good inquiries from the clients in Hyderabad. And we are looking forward to participate in your Varsha has briefed us about the exhibitions coming up in Bangalore and coming up in Delhi. Bangalore very much will be interesting since we are south-based. Delhi we are contemplating.
I am Ramarailu. This is the second time. Last time I have visited, and this time I just yesterday I have come, and today also this is the second visit. Really, I am very happy. Actually, I have come out with for pharma solution and packaged drinking water solution. Both I got a very good and almost all 100% feedback. I got it. Actually, we are running a small industry. I am running. I want to go for expansion. With that intention, I have come to just visited these two stalls. In the packaging point of view, in advanced packaging, for that I have come for this. Really, I have convinced and I am very happy with this. I am expecting the same thing in the next year and the coming years also.